It's nice out. Yeah. Got the gym to myself. Got a blizzard. That's for sure. What it takes, though. Dedication. Work hard. Good legs today. That Afghani, man. Yo, listen. I'm like tugging this bitch, man. I go so raw. I'm way too high, feeling like a leafer. I'm a superstar. Yeah, look at this ramp. Yo, man, this is straight up blizzard out here. A couple of days will be good though when we get to skate. But my feelers slippers. Yeah.
Bridge, but someone had dropped it because it was cold, the fucking block broke out. It was a full gallon. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna open it to make it cold for that.
Wow. Look at all the snow. That was tight. Look at that. Look at this. That's a Christmas tree, dog. Dope. Yo, listen. Your boy spitting in the brand new. You know how it is, I'm chilling with the crew. Ain't nobody know what I'm about to do. I'm chilling. I'm about to spark a blunt. Kawasaki wheelies down the street by the thrift store. That's how we stunt. It don't matter. I've been on. That's right, dog. You talking to the right dog. It don't matter because I got your chick all night long. Yeah, and I've been on. Put me to the level. In boss. Yeah, I'm about to push it to the pedal. 60 mile per hour. I'm be going way too fast. Getting all this cash. You know how it is. Laters up. And I'm about to spark it up. Cause I got that good Afghani. You know how it is. I ain't fucking with no tranny. You know what it is, man. I'm like Manny. Up in this bitch. Throwing it up. Man, I'm about to speed off in an M3 beaming with a new clutch. Oh. Man, I'm about to motherfucking do it like this. Shout out to King Selassie, man, I'm flying so high, right up in the sky. Spread my wings and fly, yeah. And you know what it is? I'm gonna do it for the kids, man. Shout out my bitch giving me a kiss. I don't care about a hate or diss. Man, how may know? Yeah, how you know how it is. I'm with that rhythm, with the motherfucking drip. Music on top of this shit. Man, my rhythm way too sick. Flow on top of this shit. Man, I'm way too lit. Yeah. I just ate a bunch of ice cream. After dark chocolate. It don't matter. You know what it is, man. I don't never had a weak bladder. And I've been up in this game. Never chasing the fame. Chasing shots. You know how it is, man. I'm on the spot. Chilling at the top. Way too hot. Man, look at this, bro. That's crazy. Crazy snowstorm. And there's a ramp. We'll see y'all later.